Disturbing Jamaican Folklore. Excerpt from Folklore of the Negroes of Jamaica 2, 1878. 1. If an owl screech over a house 3 times, someone in that house will die. To prevent this, you must cry out pepper and salt for your mammy. 2. If your dog howls during the day or night, it sees a duppy, and someone in that house will die. 3. If a scissors or knife drop from you and stick upright in the ground, you will have a strange visitor. 4. If you are walking along a road through a wood and hear a noise, as of something cracking, you should look back, for there are 2 duppies following you, a good and a bad one. And the good one is trying to attract your attention, and if you look back, it shows you are the good one's friend, and no harm will come to you. 5. When a person dies, the water in which the body is washed must be put on one side, and as the funeral leaves the house, it must be dashed after the hearse. Otherwise, the duppy will haunt the house. 6. To prevent a horse winning a race, collect the dirt from the hoof and wrap it up with a sapsativa in a cloth, tied with the wild slip plant. Put this under a very heavy weight, and the horse will be sure to lose the race. If the owner of the horse, however, collects the dirt first, the charm will not work, provided he throws the dirt away on the day of the races. 7. To take off a duppy, let the person on whom it is set sit on a Bible and jump 3 times over a fire. A goat or some other animal's blood must be shed on the fire and the flesh partaken of by all present. 8. Do not put your head on a bed, for misfortune will surely overtake you. 9. If the blinds of a jalousie window drop in a house about midday, duppies are in the house and are then leaving. It also denotes that you will have visitors. 10. If you have a death in your house, turn all the looking glasses to the wall or cover them, for if the image of the dead be reflected, it will cause another death in the family.
Jamaican True Stories do not recommend these practices.